What do active macrophages look like inside the body? Imagine tiny cells that can change their shape and size to fight off invaders or help heal tissues. Inside the body, these cells are called macrophages, and they are key players in our immune system. When they are active, they look quite different from their resting state. Active macrophages come into main forms, each with their own look and job. The first type is called M1 macrophages. They are like the warriors of the immune system. When they are fighting bacteria or viruses, they become larger and take on a spindle or elongated shape. Their cytoplasm, which is the fluid inside the cell, becomes filled with many small vesicles or vacuoles. These vacuoles are like tiny pockets that help them swallow and digest harmful microbes. Their nuclei are smaller compared to the whole cell and often look more condensed. These features help them produce inflammatory molecules and destroy pathogens efficiently. The second type is called M2 macrophages. These are more like repair workers. When they are activated, they tend to spread out more and sometimes even have more than one nucleus, making them multinucleated. They usually look rounder or have irregular shapes, unlike the elongated M1 cells. Their cytoskeleton, especially the actin filaments, is well developed, which helps them stick to tissues and move around. These macrophages are involved in healing tissues, calming inflammation, and remodeling damaged areas. Inside tissues, macrophages are embedded in the extracellular matrix, which is like a supportive scaffold. Their shape can change depending on their environment and what they need to do. For example, M2 macrophages often adopt a mode that allows them to migrate through tissues easily, helping with repair and healing. Under the microscope, active macrophages show dynamic structures made of actin filaments, which help them change shape, move, and engulf targets. Their surface displays different markers depending on their type. M1 macrophages often have markers like major histocompatibility complex, Roman 2 molecules, and CD80, which help them recognize and present pathogens. M2 macrophages display markers like CD206 and CD209, which are involved in signaling and tissue repair. In simple terms, active macrophages look like versatile, shape-shifting cells. The M1 type appears larger with many vacuoles inside, ready to attack invaders. The M2 type looks more spread out, sometimes with multiple nuclei, prepared to repair tissues. Their physical features directly reflected their roles in defending the body and keeping tissues healthy.